Hello boys and girls, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications on new uploads. Today I'm here with a new video of unboxing of both Rockerz 510 headphones and audio jack or aux cable of the same company BoAt. After we remove the box, you can see the headphones at the first look, and it feels premium and has a good build quality. We can keep the headphones aside and we can move further. If we see further, we can see that there's an aux cable and USB micro USB cable. From type A to micro USB cable is given inside the box. So there's a warranty card and some paper guide, and it's like a book. If we open the cover, there's a USB type A to micro USB cable, and aux cable is given inside the box, but it is not of good quality, This headphone even has a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer. I can say it as a good thing, So now we proceed further to the BoAt aux cable. So it has a tough aluminium case on it, and it's not just plastic, it's super rigid, You'll see it further. That was given in such a tough box, I had to cut it with a knife, and then I came back. So let's go. After I open the box, or it's just like a cover. After I remove that, at the first I can see the cable. It is of good build quality. I feel it is of good quality, so it is like premium and impressive. For this price range, it's impressive. So it costed me 300 rupees for this cable and 1600 rupees for the headphones. At this price range, I can say the quality is decent, and it's super rigid, and it is, it will be durable. I think it's super high quality aluminium, and it can be bended easily, but it's not so flexible. Even the cable has a 2-year warranty from the manufacturer, so that's a good thing. And now we proceed to the headphones. So today I'm not making a review as I don't know how to make a review and those things. So as I'm a noob, so I had bought two headphones and two cables. So this is the overall package. So thank you guys. To subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the notifications on new uploads, and hit the like button if you like the video, and don't feel bad if there's some disturbance in this voiceover. Thank you.